Business model canvas, BMC of Netflix. Key partners, alliances with smart TV companies, alliances with gaming industry, TV network companies, Google and Amazon. Key activities, hire and retain, maintain and expand, produce, develop and its finishing strategy, maintain current customer base. Key resources, soft developers, recommendation system, algorithm, value propositions. User can stream 24/7 minutes the ads, view shows, movies in high definition, stream content consecutively anywhere, unlimited access on TV shows and movies, Netflix original, new sign-ups and avail to 30 days free trials, cancel at any time, receive algorithmic recommendation, avoid commercial ads, customer relationships, self setup made easy, expensive customer experience, online live chat service, social media, Netflix gift cards, channels, online streaming through the website, streaming on TV apps and gaming consoles, mail delivery for DVDs, customer segments, interacted with watching movies, TV shows and documentaries, content with children and adults, cost structure, major purchasing, rise, TV shows and movies, cost of producing movies, cost of recommendations and R&D, artificial intelligence, subscription, maintenance cost, DVDs and mail related shopping cost.